The Corporate Transparency Act. Does this apply to me? Hello, New Beginnings friend. Clients ask us this important question, and we're here to help. The Corporate Transparency Act, or the CTA, applies to you if you own a corporation or an LLC, a limited liability company. The Criminal Investigation Division of the U.S. Department of Treasury, known as FinCEN, Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, requires that small businesses, including family-run corporations and LLC, need to report who owns and controls them during 2024. What is the Corporate Transparency Act? This act is a recent law designed to combat financial crimes by requiring more transparency in business ownership. It mainly targets smaller, privately owned companies that aren't already heavily regulated. These measures are in place to ensure businesses are not used for illegal activities. Who's exempt? Large corporations, publicly traded companies, and specific regulated industries like banking or insurance are generally exempt from these new reporting requirements. How do I know if this applies to my business? Do you own a corporation or an LLC? If yes, you're likely to be affected. Is your business privately owned, not publicly traded? If so, it's beneficial to pay attention to these rules. Does your business qualify for any exemptions? Employee and revenue criteria. If your business has more than 20 full-time employees in the United States and reports more than $5 million in annual revenue on federal tax returns, it's exempt from these rules. Other exemptions. Larger corporations, publicly traded companies, and certain entities like banks and insurance companies are exempted. What do I need to report? Names and addresses of the owners, dates of birth and identification details, like a driver's license or a passport number. If you live in a community property state, like Arizona, you must provide your spouse's information even when they're not a part of the company. They are considered beneficial owners. How do I do it? Here's a step-by-step preparation guide. Gather necessary information. Start by collecting the required information about the beneficial owners of your business. This includes names, addresses, dates of birth, and identification numbers. Understand your business structure. Make sure you clearly understand your business structure, corporation, LLC, etc., and how it fits into the reporting requirements. Record keeping. Keep a record of the information you collect. It's essential for future reference and compliance. File a report using the BOI e-filing system at fincen.gov/BOI. Seeking professional help. If you're unsure about any part of this process, consulting with a professional is a good idea. New Beginnings is here to help you navigate these changes. For businesses with 3 or fewer owners, our fee to prepare these filings for you is $300 per LLC. We can help ensure you're fully compliant and answer your specific questions. That's how we roll. Valuable resources and assistance. You can find more information on the FinCEN website. That's fincen.gov. Remember, we're also here to help you navigate these changes. Feel free to reach out for personalized assistance. When's the deadline? The deadlines for reporting are crucial. Here's what you need to know. Existing businesses. If your business was created before January 1st, 2024, you must file your initial report by January 1st, 2025. New businesses. For businesses formed after January 1st, 2024, and before January 1st, 2025, you will have 90 days from the date of formation to file your beneficial ownership information with FinCEN. After 2024, you'll have 30 days to file. The penalty amount for failing to comply is $500 per day. Yep, you heard that right. $500 per day. Remember, understanding and following these rules is vital to stay compliant and avoid potential penalties. Preparing for these new reporting requirements doesn't have to be overwhelming. By taking these steps and seeking help, you can ensure that your business remains compliant and avoids potential issues. New Beginnings looks forward to supporting you through these changes. If you have any questions about preparing for compliance, please don't hesitate to call us. We got you.